You know, I was just asked if I could make a bushing, and I thought I need to ream that idea out, just a slip fit, 1/8 slip fit, and I started to go through my reamers, and I went, I mean, look at all the reamers. I've got lots of them. I have lots of reamers. I have tubes full of reamers. This whole box is all reamers, different sizes, adjustable reamers. And I thought, what I need to do is grab my under-over set of reamers. I think this is the coolest set of reamers I have. It's for a 1/2 inch, $4.99 and $5.01, under and over, 3/8, 374, 376. And it goes all the way down to, what is that? 1/8. So that's what I'm going to use, my set of under-over reamers. I love them.